Hello students, today we are starting chapter number 1 integers. First we will discuss what you have learned in earlier classes. So first we have learned about natural numbers or the counting numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and it will go up to infinity. After natural number we have learned about the whole number denoted by capital W. Whole numbers start from 0, then 1, 2, 3 and this will also go up to infinity. So, smallest natural number is 1 and we don't have any largest natural number. Smallest whole number is 0 and we don't have any largest whole number. Along with this natural number and whole number, we have more numbers and negative numbers also. The set of all the positive and the negative numbers along with 0 is called integers. So integers is denoted by I or capital Z, and integers is the combination of all the negative integers -3, -2, -1, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So 0 after 0 these are the whole number, and along with the whole number negative numbers also if we take, then this full set is called as integers. Only these negative numbers from here to here we will call negative integers, or we can denote it by I to the power minus or Z to the power minus. And these from 1 to infinity, these are called as positive integers. It can be denoted by I plus or Z plus. Here 0 is neutral, 0 is not having any symbol. You can put plus or minus any symbol during calculation for 0. After this, next thing is representing these integers on number line. For that, with the help of pencil and scale, you have to draw first one line. Both the side arrow should be there. Mark at center 0. 0 is here the midpoint of this line. Then right side of this 0, all the positive integers you have to mark. So first divide this line equally. All the division should be equal here. Left side also, right side also. You can keep your scale and after each centimeter you can mark. So right side of 0, positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Left side negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. Here 0 will work like a mirror. So that side 1, 2, 3, 4, this side also 1, 2, 3, 4. Only the symbol differences. The right side of 0 positive integers and left side of 0 negative integers. When we have to do the comparison of these integers, always remember the right side integer will be greater than left side integer. Suppose you are comparing two positive integers 3 and 4. For example 3 and 4. So see, 3 is left side, 4 is right side. So always right side integer will be greater. If suppose one integer is negative and another one is positive, so always the positive integers are right side of 0, so positive integers will be greater than negative integers. Suppose both the integers are negative, -6, -7. Now you see -6 and after -6 somewhere here -7 will come. Which is right side, which is left side? 6 is here right side. If you see, this is -6, here -7. So 6 is right side, it means 6 is greater than -7. So always remember, right side integers will be greater than left side integer. After comparison of integers, we have absolute value of integers. Absolute value of integers means only the numerical value of integer. So if you have any integer, suppose +3, and absolute value symbol will be like this. Little bit thick line you have to put here. So absolute value of +3 will be 3. We will ignore here symbol. then absolute value of minus 3 will be 3. Only the numerical value we have to take, whether the number is positive or negative, we have to take only the numerical value of that number. In absolute value only, if suppose you have like this, find out the absolute value of 17 minus 9. Now see, within this absolute value symbol we have 17 minus 9. So first you should simplify this 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. And then after simplification you have to find out the value of 8. So absolute value of 8 will be 8. After absolute value we have rules for the addition and subtraction of integers. So first rule is, if both the integers are positive, first number is plus, another number also plus, then you have to do addition and always symbol will come greater number symbol. Second rule, if first number is positive, second number is negative, then we have to do subtraction and greater number symbol we have to put. So greater number here, numerically greater number we have to see. Third one, if first integer is minus and second integer is plus, then also we have to do the subtraction and greater number symbol will come. Fourth rule, if both the integers are negative, in that case we have to do addition and symbol will come for greater number symbol. Now I am taking example for each rule. For example, first, if you have to add plus 7 and plus 5. Both the symbols are plus, it means we have to do the addition. So do addition, 7 plus 5 is 12, and see numerically which number is greater. Numerically 7 is greater, so final symbol will come plus. For second rule, suppose first number is plus and second number is minus. If one number is plus, another one is minus, in that case you have to do the subtraction. Do the subtraction, 7 minus 5 is 2. See the numerically big number, that is 7. 7 is having plus symbol, so here we have to put plus symbol. Third rule, suppose first number is minus and second number is plus. In that case also we have to do subtraction, so 7 minus 5 is 2. And see numerically which is greater, 7 is numerically greater, so symbol will come minus. Last rule, if both are minus, minus 7, minus 5. If both are minus, in that case we have to do addition. 7 plus 5 is 12 and numerically 7 is greater and 7 is having minus symbol. So finally we have to put minus symbol. These are the rules for addition and subtraction of integers. Now we will start exercise 1.1. First question is given, one number line is given and above this number line few integers they have marked. You can see here minus 18, minus 9, minus 4, 0, 3, 8 and 12. So first thing, write these integers in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to write from small to big number. So start from left side, because on number line always the left side, leftmost integer will be the smallest integer. So 18 is the left side. So minus 18, then after minus 18 next integer is 9. Minus 9 will be greater than minus 18. Next minus 4, then 0, then 3, 8 and next 12. So here minus 18 is the smallest and 12 is the greatest. Second part, write these integers in descending order. So descending order is opposite of ascending order. It means we have to write from big to small. So same order only, just you have to write in reverse order. So first 12, then 8, then 3, 0, minus 4, minus 9, minus 18. After this third part is given, write integer for the given dots. You can see here above this number line few dots are marked. So these dots we have to write which integer will come. You can see here 0. After 0, right side positive integers will be there and left side negative integers will be there. So we will start from 0. After 0, immediately write 1 will come. After 1, then 2, 3, next it will be 4. After 4, 5, 6, then 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11. Now come to the left side of 0. After 0, before 0 here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then minus 4 is there, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, then minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, and then minus 17. These are the integers for these given dots. Next, question number 2. Arrange 7, minus 5, 4, 0 and minus 4 in ascending order and mark them on number line to check your answer. So we have 7, minus 5, 4, 0 and minus 4. We have to arrange these in ascending order. So ascending order means from small to big number. So we will start from the minus integers because these are smaller. So minus 5 and minus 4. In negative integers which you feel it is bigger. 5 is numerically big but actually it will be small. So 5, minus 5. After minus 5 then minus 4. Then come to the 0 and positive integer 4 and 7. So then next 4 and then 7. Now we have to represent these numbers on number line also. For that you have to draw a straight line. Both the side arrows you have to mark. Then at center 0, right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positive integers, and left side you have to mark negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Now you have to mark all these integers. First 7. 7 is here. After 7, minus 5. Then next 4. Then 0 and minus 4. After marking, now you check whether your answer is correct or not. Start from the left side. First we have minus 5, yes. Then minus 4, then 0, 4 and 7. So check in this order. If your ascending order is similar to this, it means you have done correctly. Next, question number 3. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Rohit's score in 5 successive rounds were 15, minus 3, minus 7, 12 and 8, what was his total at the end? So total at the end, total means we have to add all these integers. So 15 plus minus 3 plus minus 7 plus 12 and plus 8. Now 15, first make these symbols one symbol. Plus and minus will become minus. Here also plus and minus will become minus. Plus 12 and plus 8. Now 15 minus 3 is 12. Remaining you write as it is. 12 minus 7 is 5. Plus 12 plus 8. Now you can add 5 plus 12, 17. 17 plus 8, 25. So his final score will be 25. Next, question number 4. Ruchi deposit 4,370 rupees in her account on Monday and then withdrew 2,875 on Tuesday. Next day she deposited rupees 1,550. What was her balance on Thursday? So first she deposited on Monday rupees 4,370. So because she is depositing, so we will put plus symbol. Then withdrew on Tuesday is 2,875 because it is withdrew, so we will put minus symbol here. And then again deposited on Wednesday rupees 1550. So we have to find out her total balance. Her total balance, final balance will be on Thursday. With plus 4370 minus 2875 and then plus 1550. First subtract these two and add last one. So after simplification you will get answer 3045 rupees. Next question number 5, evaluate. First part, modulus value of minus 13, then minus modulus value of 9. So as we know, the modulus value of all the integers, whether it is a plus or minus, it will be numerical value only. So modulus value of minus 13 will be 13. Then this symbol will come as it is minus, and the modulus value of 9 will be 9. So 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 is here our answer. Next, second part, we have modulus value of 13 minus 5, then minus modulus value of 9, minus 9. So first simplify this. 13 minus 5 is 8, and here minus symbol as it is, modulus value of minus 9 will be 9. Modulus value of 8 will be 8. 8 minus 9, answer will be minus 1. Third part, modulus value of 13, 5 minus 12, then minus modulus value of 8 minus 3. So first we will simplify inside this symbol and then we will take the modulus value. So 35 minus 12 is equal to 23. Minus 8 minus 3 is 5. So modulus value of 23 will be 23. This minus symbol as it is. Modulus value of 5 will be 5. So 23 minus 5 is 18. So answer is here 18. Question number 6. Arrange in ascending order. So these numbers you have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending means from small to big. So always the negative integers will be smaller than positive integers. So first we will start from negative integers. Minus 39, minus 102, minus 51 and minus 5, minus 6. From these integers first you check which is numerically bigger. So here 102 is numerically bigger. It means minus 102 will be the smallest integer in these. After this, next minus 51. After minus 51, minus 39. After minus 39, minus 6, minus 5, and then come for the positive integers. So 0 also we have, so 0 will come after this, then 7 and 35. Next, question number 7. Arrange in a descending order. So numbers are given here: minus 31, 139, minus 203, minus 97, 0 and 4208. So descending order means we have to arrange from big to small number. So first go for the positive integers because positive integers are greater than negative integers. So we have 4208 and then 139, these two. So from these two number 4208 is greater. Then next 139, after that 0 will come. Then go for the negative integer. From negative integers now minus 31, then minus 97, and at last minus 203. Next question number 8, state true or false. So first one is 0 is the successor of minus 1 in integer. So see, successor means the next number. After 0, see what is the next number. After 0 we have to check the successor of minus 1. So after minus 1, which is the next number after minus 1? 0. So 0 is the successor of minus 1. This statement is true. Next, 0 has no predecessor in integers. So integers, you can see before 0 also we have many numbers. So which is the predecessor of 0? Minus 1. Minus 1 is the predecessor of 0 in integers, and here they have written 0 has no predecessor. It means this statement is false. After that, minus 2 is the predecessor of minus 1. So see, before minus 1 which number is coming? Minus 2 is coming. It means this is correct. So this statement is true. Next, 0 is greater than every negative integers. So you can see 0 is the right side of all the negative integers. So always right side integer will be greater than. So this statement also true. Next, question number 9, we have to fill here greater than, less than or equal to symbol. So first part is given minus 11 plus minus 7, and right side we have minus 11 minus minus 7. So first we will simplify this side. It will become minus 11, and minus and plus will become minus. So minus 11 and minus 7 is minus 18. Now we will check right side. Minus 11 and this minus minus will become plus, plus 7. Minus 11 plus 7 is minus 4. So which is greater? Minus 18 or minus 4. So imagine number line in your mind and you will see minus 4 will be the right side. So it means minus 4 is greater number here. Next, 23 minus 41. 23 minus 41 is minus 18, and this is plus 11. Minus 18 plus 11 will be minus 7. Check right side. 27 minus 41, minus 18 and minus 11. It will be equal to minus 29. So from minus 7 and minus 29, minus 7 is greater. Next, third part, 40 minus minus 39 plus minus 5. Right side we have 40 plus minus 39 minus minus 5. So first to simplify left side, it will become 40 minus minus will become plus 39 minus 5. 40 plus 39, 79, and 79 minus 5 will be 74. Right side, 40 minus, it will become plus, and minus will become minus 39, and minus minus will become plus. So 40 minus 39, 1 plus 5 is 6. Now from 74 and 6, which is greater? 74 is greater. Now come to the next fourth one, minus 3 plus 13, and this is minus 15. Minus 3 plus 13 is plus 10, minus 15. So this will be equal to minus 5. Now see the right side, 25 minus minus will become plus 2 and minus 33. 25 plus 2, 27, and 27 minus 33. 33 minus 7 is minus 6. So which is greater? Minus 5 is greater or minus 6 is greater? Minus 5 is greater than minus 6. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like and subscribe it.